In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pop-up message on cell value change in Excel. This is a really handy way to guide anyone who works with your spreadsheet, because Excel can show an input message when a cell is selected. In this tutorial, we will set up that pop-up message for a specific cell so you know exactly where to look and what to click. First, start by clicking cell A2. Take a moment to make sure you are really in the A2 cell because the pop-up message will be tied to that exact location. You should see the cell address change to A2 in the name box area, or you will notice the active outline around the A2 cell in the grid. Next, you will switch to the Data tab. This is where Excel groups tools related to checking and controlling what users enter into cells. Click the Data tab at the top of Excel so you can find the validation options we need for this setup. Once you are in the Data tab, click Data Validation. You will find this in the Tools area for managing data. This opens a dialog box that lets you define rules for what can be entered, and it also includes an option for input messages. Before you make any changes, you may want to pause and look at the tabs inside the Data Validation window, because the message settings are located on a specific tab. Inside the Data Validation dialog box, click the Input Message tab. This is the tab that controls the pop-up guidance that appears when the cell is selected. When you arrive on this tab, you will see a checkbox and a place to type the message. Take a second to confirm you are on Input Message because the other tabs are meant for different types of settings, such as error alerts. Now check the option that says Show Input Message when cell is selected. This setting is what tells Excel to display your guidance automatically whenever someone clicks that cell. Make sure the checkbox is ticked, and notice that it usually enables the message field below, so you can type your text. Next, type your message in the Input Message box. This is where you write what you want the user to know when they select cell A2. Keep it clear and short so it is easy to read. For example, you can mention what type of value should go there, or what the cell is used for. After you type the message, take a moment to read it once, just to ensure there are no typos and it communicates the goal of the cell. After you have entered your message, click OK to save the setting. This closes the Data Validation dialog, and Excel applies the Input Message rule to cell A2. You can now test it right away by clicking cell A2 again. When the cell is selected, Excel should show your pop-up input message, guiding the user without requiring any extra effort from you. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.